Today I'll share the recipe of a perfect Sabudana kheer or Tapioca pearls pudding. You can see it's nice, creamy, super delicious. People normally fast in this 9 days of celebration of Navaratri, and during this 9 days, Tapioca pearls or sagu plays a very important part in their diet. And you can see how beautiful my pearls are looking. The Sabudana pearls or the Tapioca pearls are looking. These are perfect, soft, mushy. So this should be the consistency of a perfect Sabudana kheer. I have shared many small tips and tricks to make a perfect Sabudana kheer like this. So do watch this video till the end and share with me your feedback. Happy Navratri to everyone. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin. The first step is to prepare the sabudana. These are the raw sabudana pearls or tapioca pearls. I have taken here one bowl of the raw tapioca pearls and I need to wash them. So I'll transfer them to a larger bowl, and this is the ball I have used. This is the regular steel ball that we use in Indian homes, and I'll wash them with 2 to 3 times with normal water. And as I wash, you can see there will be a whitish water. It's because of the starch. So wash for 2 to 3 times and discard this water, and after washing for 2 to 3 times this will be ready so that we can go for further steps. So this looks somewhat like this after washing for 2 to 3 times. And then what we need is we need to prepare this sabudana so that it can be soft and mushy. So I have used the same bowl in which I had soaked sabudana, 1 cup of water in the same bowl, and I'll add it to this sabudana and I'll let it soak for good 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours is okay for this dessert recipe, kheer recipe. And you can see actually the level of water is around half inch more than the sabudana. This is perfect. We don't need extra water, and the quantity of water really matters for a nice fluffy sabudana. And after 4 hours, see, the sabudana has soaked all the water. It has become super fluffy. I'll use a fork to scrape from sides as because it's super delicate and it's just looking perfect to me. You can see how beautifully it has soaked all the moisture, and now I'll transfer it to a strainer so that if by chance any moisture is left, that dries out. You can see how nicely I am just adding this pearls to this strainer and it's perfectly okay. Our sabudana is ready to be used in kheer. I have taken here full fat milk 1 liter and transferred to a heavy bottom pan, and I'll wait till it comes to boil, and after it starts to boil, I'll reduce the flame to medium high and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes more till it becomes a little more thicker. So after 2 to 3 minutes you can see it's nice, nicely it's thickening, and my pearls, see, beautiful pearls, they are ready. I'll add this pearls to this milk. You can see I have added the pearls, sabudana pearls, to this milk, and as because these are high carbs food, sabudana is already soaked, it may start to stick to the bottom. So make sure you stir it continuously in between 1 to 2 minutes. And as we have added this sabudana, initially it will go down, and as soon as it starts to cook, it will come up and float on the surface of the milk. And because we have soaked the sabudana to perfection, this process will take around 5 to 6 minutes. If your sabudana are soaked good, and if they are not soaked to perfection, this step may take more time. So make sure you always soak your sabudana so that it takes very less time to be cooked, and literally this will float on the top of the milk in this way, see. So this process took around 5 to 6 minutes for me because my sabudana were perfectly soaked. So make sure you do this step nicely, and now stir it continuously. As I said, this will gradually become translucent and the milk will start to thicken because of the starch, and it's just looking perfect. And I'll actually show you what I'm talking about, how the sabudana changes its color. So you can see it has been almost 6 to 7 minutes and this sabudana pearls are looking perfect to me. It has almost cooked 70 to 80%. I'll show you. I'll just wash it a little bit, and you can see this is the difference. The white ones are the raw ones, and this they have started to become translucent. So this is the color difference. And as I said, as because we have soaked them, so this took almost 7 to 8 minutes, and that saves a lot of time. So at this stage we'll add any sweetener. You can add condensed milk. I have used normal sugar and half cup, and few strands of saffron. I had soaked in 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm milk. This goes in, and half teaspoon of cardamom powder or elaichi powder goes in. And as because of the saffron, the color changes instantly, and do not forget to scrape the sides, and this is looking awesome. So after adding saffron, we need to cook for 4 to 5 minutes more, because there was little bit rawness left still at the in the sabudana that I had showed you. So cook for 5 to 6 minutes more. So my total time took, after the milk started to boil and I had thickened it for 2 to 3 minutes, was around 15 minutes. So around 20 minutes would be perfect for a good creamy consistency like this. See how beautifully the milk has coated my spatula, and it's looking perfect to me. So there are many small things to make a perfect sabudana kheer and to literally save your time. So do follow all this to save your time and make a perfect sabudana. So this is looking ready to me now. You can add some chopped dry fruits as per your wish, and turn off the flame and let it cool in room temperature. And I'll keep it in fridge for half an hour to just give it a nice chill flavor. And after half an hour in the fridge, this pudding, this kheer is just perfect. You can see how beautifully the sabudana has actually tripled in size, not doubled also. Perfect creamy consistency. It's easily digestible for all age group, and I've garnished it with some chopped cashews, a few strands of saffron goes in, and pistachio. Completely depends upon your wish. And I actually want to show you what I was talking about the sabudana pearls. So this is the awesome result. The sabudana pearls have actually tripled in size, and this color is because of the saffron we have used. It's optional, and this should be the consistency of a perfect sabudana kheer. The pearls are not mashed, they are nicely doubled, and it has cooked perfectly. You can see as I press, they completely mash up, yet they are very nicely soaked in milk, cooked to perfection. So do try this recipe. If you have kids around, you have adults around, if you have some elders around, everybody will love the flavors, and believe me, it's quite easy to make. So this Navaratri, do give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. I hope you have liked my video. Do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.